down to a low of 65 degrees. And most of the stations reporting some precipitation yesterday into this morning. Norfolk seeing the most rainfall with 2.1 inches of rain here at Wallops. We had just under a tenth of an inch of rain. Currently across the area, we have cloudy skies across all stations with temperatures hovering in the upper 60s to the mid 70s here at Wallops, 71 degrees under cloudy skies as of 9 a.m. Our upper air sounding from this morning showing an easterly wind at 6 knots at the 1,000-foot level, and then shifting northeasterly, then northwesterly to westerly as we go up through the atmosphere. And winds rather benign. As you can see, we don't get into the teens until the 16,000-foot level. And our wind max right now is at 25 knots out of the west at 25,000 feet. The freezing level this morning was at 13,700 feet. Current radar imagery showing quite a bit of shower activity off to our south associated with a stalled frontal boundary that will be meandering across that area throughout the day today and over the next couple days as it slowly progresses northward and will be the focal point for scattered shower activity as well as some chances for thunderstorms. Looks like we'll remain dry throughout much of the day today. Do have a slight chance we could see a shower enter our local area after 11 a.m. until about 2 p.m., but those chances look fairly slim. Chances look to increase for better chances for rainfall and a slight chance of a thunderstorm by tomorrow morning after 5 a.m. with this frontal boundary slowly pushing farther northward. So as we look at our Tuesday planner, we'll have that front, the forecast chart showing it off to our north, but really it's actually going to be more to our south, as shown by the trough axis here, where it's going to be stalled and slowly progressing or just meandering back and forth over the Tidewater region. That again will be the focal point for some shower activity. As we head into the later portions of this evening, we'll have mostly cloudy skies. Those low clouds will actually lower throughout the day today, or excuse me, throughout the evening tonight, and we'll have ceilings similar to what we had this morning, hovering around 300 to 400 feet potentially, and then a chance for some scattered showers and possibly a thunderstorm by tomorrow morning as that front pushes a little bit farther northward, and we do have some upper level energy reaching through the area, which could trigger some of those scattered showers and possible thunderstorms. As we head into the PM time frame, that front still remaining off to our south and still seeing a chance for some scattered showers throughout the day on Wednesday, and really not going to be moving too much as we have a high off to our northeast, and the upper level flow is fairly light out of a westerly direction, so that front really has nowhere to really progress and will remain over the area for the next several days. So as we look at the next 24 hours, as you can see, we have a likely scenario that will have low cloudiness remaining through the area. Unlike the forecast that I issued 8:15 this morning, it looks like those low clouds will persist a little bit longer than expected, expecting ceilings hovering around that 300 to 400 foot level throughout the remainder of this morning and into the looks like the early afternoon time frame. And then they should begin to break right around 2 o'clock this afternoon, eventually lifting to about 1,500 feet, but still remaining mostly cloudy to overcast throughout the day today. Do just have a slight chance of showers between 11 a.m. and 2 p.m. This morning to the early afternoon. Winds shifting more southeasterly later this morning, 6 to 11 knots, and then south-southeasterly during the afternoon at about 5 to 10 knots. Temperatures maxing out at around 77 degrees today. Overnight tonight, those clouds will begin to lower again, ceilings dropping to about 400 feet closer to midnight tonight and heading into tomorrow morning. And then we'll have chances for showers being introduced after 5 a.m. tomorrow morning, with about a 15% chance that we do see a thunderstorm after 5 a.m. and that'll continue into the mid-morning hours tomorrow. For our day on Wednesday, we'll have mostly cloudy skies with a chance of scattered showers and a possible thunderstorm with a high of 77 degrees. Wednesday night, mostly cloudy with a chance of scattered showers and thunderstorms with a low of 69 degrees. And then on Thursday, that front still pretty much stalled over the local area, mostly cloudy with a chance of showers and a slight chance of a thunderstorm with a high of 80 degrees. Looking at the 7-day forecast, it's going to be a very unsettled forecast as we go throughout the next 7 days. In that frontal boundary still remain over the local area, but it does actually begin to push back or farther north on Friday. We'll get into the warm sector and our air mass will actually begin to destabilize, leading to a better chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms on Friday. We'll get up to a high of around 87 degrees. And then Saturday and Sunday, the front will actually begin to drop back south as a cold front. We'll have an upper level trough that'll be swinging through the region. We'll have some energy associated with what is now subtropical depression Alberto, wrapped up in that energy, which will produce some scattered showers for us on Saturday, as well as a chance for thunderstorms. More likely scenario for rainfall on Sunday, with the front finally moving south of the region. We'll have a high of 71 degrees on Sunday, and then Monday just looks absolutely dreary, as we'll have onshore flow and showers lingering across the area. See our high temperature right now only expected to get up to around 65 degrees, so it'll be a rather dreary end to our weekend and continuing into early next week as far as the 7-day looks right now. That'll conclude the 10 a.m. weather briefing for today. We'll be back with you tomorrow morning at 8:15 for your daily operations weather briefing. Have a great day.